The Chettinad chicken curry or chicken Chettinad is one of the traditional and classic recipe from the Chettinad cuisine of Tamil Nadu. Each bite you take is a burst of flavors with juicy chicken pieces, freshly toasted coconut and blended spices, making this one of the must-try recipes. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Now without any further ado, let's get started. In a bowl, take 250 grams of clean chicken pieces. To this, add in 2 tablespoons of yogurt, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon salt and half a teaspoon red chilli powder. Mix everything well and marinate for at least 20 minutes. Now heat up a pan and add in a teaspoon of oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I've used Gingelly oil. To this, add in 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of peppercorns, 3 dry red chilies, half bay leaf, half star anise, 2 cloves, an inch of cinnamon stick, 1 cardamom and half a teaspoon of poppy seeds, 2 stone flowers and a tablespoon of cashew nuts. If you want to either skip cashew nuts or poppy seeds, you can add the other one more. Now add in a tablespoon of shredded coconut. Gently roast everything on low flame. To this, add in 1 bench curry leaves. Once the coconut is slightly golden in color, turn off the flame, cool it for some time and transfer it to a mixer jar. Now add in 2 tablespoons of water and grind everything to a fine paste. Now we have the Chettinad masala ready. Set it aside and heat up a pan. To this, add in 2 more tablespoons of oil. I have used Gingelly oil. Now add in 1 torn red chilli, 1 bunch of curry leaves and about 15 shallots. Now saute this on medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes or until the shallots are soft and transparent. Now to this, add in a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute until the raw aroma of ginger and garlic goes off. Now season this with salt. I have used about a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder and quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. Now saute this on low flame for a minute and add in 1 finely chopped tomato. Once the tomatoes become soft and mushy and starts to leave out oil like this, add in the marinated chicken pieces. Now on high flame, saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once it is well combined and seared, turn the flame to medium and saute for another 2 to 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes and we can see that the chicken has a beautiful sear to it. Now add in the ground Chettinad masala paste to the chicken. Now continue to saute this on medium flame for another 3 minutes. Now to this, add in about a cup of hot water. Once the curry begins to boil, cover it with the lid and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Stir occasionally every now and then or for every 5 minutes so that the curry doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. It's been 20 minutes and the chicken pieces are cooked perfectly. The chicken is very tender and comes apart from the bones. We can see the oil floating on top of the curry. This indicates that the chicken curry is cooked perfectly. Our kitchen is filled with the aroma of this chicken curry. Now we'll turn off the flame, give it all a good mix and garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. Now serve this with some rice and rasam. It also goes well with chapatis or dosas. Hope you found this video useful. Do try this out and share in your feedbacks in the comments. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes. Thank you for watching.